Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So before anything else, you need to make sure your account is a professional account. That means either a creator or business account. If you're using a personal account, you won't be able to create a broadcast channel. So this step is a must. You can switch to professional account in your settings under account type and it only takes a few seconds. But once that's set up, you want to go ahead and open your Instagram. Then go to your inbox, tap the compose or create button at the upper right corner. And from here, you should be able to see an option to simply create a broadcast channel. If you don't see it yet, just make sure your app is updated since the feature may still be rolling out. And again, you want to make sure that you are using a professional account, which is either a creator or a business account. After tapping create from here, you'll be able to set up your channel by choosing a name and deciding who can join. Once you confirm, your broadcast channel will go live and your followers will get a notification inviting them to join. From there, you can start sending messages, updates, polls, and even behind the scenes content directly to your audience. Just remember, this is a one-way communication tool, so only you can send messages while your followers can react or vote. So yeah, the biggest thing to remember if you want to create a broadcast channel is you must have a professional account first. After that, it's quick and easy to set up and start using. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.